Elon Musk is known for pushing boundaries. He revolutionized electric cars with Tesla. Now, he sets his sights on sustainable housing. Musk, in partnership with Foldable, introduces a $155,000 tiny house. This innovative dwelling promises eco-friendly living at an accessible price. It's a bold step towards revolutionizing the housing market. This venture goes beyond profit. It reflects a growing global concern sustainability. The world needs solutions to combat climate change. Musk's tiny house offers a glimpse into a future where affordability and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. It's a vision of a future where sustainable living is within everyone's reach. Elon Musk's interest in sustainable housing is not a coincidence. It aligns perfectly with his personal philosophy of minimalism. Musk himself made a conscious decision to downsize his living space. He chose to live in a prefabricated tiny house. This choice reflects a broader trend in society. People are seeking simpler, more sustainable lifestyles. Musk's embrace of minimalism is a powerful statement. It challenges conventional notions of success and happiness. It emphasizes experiences over material possessions. This shift in perspective resonates with a growing number of people. It signals a desire for a life less focused on consumption and more on sustainability. This isn't just a small house. It's a technological marvel, blending cutting-edge innovation with compact living. Musk's tiny house is engineered for sustainability and efficiency, making it a model for future homes. Solar panels, a hallmark of Tesla's innovation, are seamlessly integrated into the roof, ensuring a sleek and modern look. These panels capture the sun's energy, converting it into usable power for the home, significantly reducing electricity bills. The house comes equipped with Tesla's Powerwall, a state-of-the-art energy storage solution. This battery system stores excess solar energy, ensuring that no power goes to waste. This stored energy provides power during outages or at night, further reducing reliance on the grid and enhancing energy independence. The house's design optimizes space without compromising comfort, making every square foot count. It features a functional kitchen, a cozy living area, a bathroom, and a comfortable sleeping space, all thoughtfully designed. The interior is modern and minimalist, emphasizing functionality and ease of maintenance, perfect for a busy lifestyle. Large windows maximize natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day and creating a bright, airy atmosphere. Every detail is thoughtfully considered to minimize the home's environmental impact while maximizing efficiency, making it a true eco-friendly haven. One of the most significant advantages of Musk's tiny house is its focus on renewable energy. The integrated solar panels and Powerwall system drastically reduce or even eliminate reliance on traditional power grids. This shift to solar power significantly reduces the home's carbon footprint. By generating its own clean energy, the tiny house minimizes its contribution to harmful greenhouse gas emissions. This commitment to energy efficiency extends beyond solar power. The house is built with sustainable materials and features advanced insulation to regulate temperature. This reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling, further minimizing energy consumption. Musk's tiny house demonstrates that sustainable living can be achieved without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Prefabrication and affordability, streamlining construction for the masses. The affordability of Musk's tiny house is a game changer in the housing market. Priced at $155,000, it presents a significantly more accessible option compared to traditional homes, which often cost much more. This affordability is largely due to its prefabricated design, which allows for efficient mass production. The house is built in a factory setting using precise, automated processes that ensure high quality. This method minimizes waste, reduces labor costs, and ensures consistent quality across all units produced. Prefabrication also drastically reduces construction time, making the process much more efficient. The house can be assembled on site in a matter of hours, significantly faster than traditional building methods, which can take months. This streamlined approach makes the homes readily available and contributes to their overall affordability and accessibility. Musk's vision is to mass-produce these sustainable homes, making them accessible to a wider population and addressing the global housing crisis. The foldable design, portability, and adaptability. The ingenuity of Musk's tiny house extends beyond its sustainability features, offering a revolutionary approach to modern living. Its foldable design adds a new dimension of flexibility and portability, making it a standout in the tiny home market. The house can be folded down for easy transportation, making it ideal for those seeking a less stationary lifestyle, or for those who love to travel. This feature opens up possibilities for living in various locations without committing to permanent foundations, allowing for a nomadic lifestyle. The foldable design also allows for adaptability and expansion, catering to changing needs over time. Multiple units can be combined to create larger living spaces, accommodating families or those seeking more room, making it a flexible solution. This modularity makes the tiny house a versatile option for various living situations, from urban settings to remote retreats. Whether it's a minimalist retreat or a starter home, the foldable design caters to a range of needs and preferences, ensuring comfort and convenience. A paradigm shift, redefining homeownership in the 21st century. Musk's tiny house represents more than just an alternative housing solution. It signifies a paradigm shift in how we perceive homeownership in the 21st century. It challenges the traditional notion of a house as a large, permanent structure. It encourages a more flexible and adaptable approach to living, aligning with the evolving needs of a globalized society. This shift in perspective embraces minimalism and prioritizes experiences over material possessions. It promotes sustainable living as an integral part of modern life. Musk's tiny house initiative is a catalyst, sparking conversations about affordability, environmental responsibility, and the changing definition of home. The rise of sustainable living, a global movement. The interest in Musk's tiny house reflects a larger global movement towards sustainable living. People are becoming increasingly aware of their environmental impact and actively seeking ways to reduce their carbon footprint. This shift in consciousness is driven by a growing concern for the planet's future and a desire to create a healthier, more sustainable world for generations to come. This movement extends beyond individual choices. Governments worldwide are implementing policies to promote renewable energy sources, sustainable construction practices, and eco-friendly living. Musk's tiny house aligns perfectly with this global trend, offering a tangible and accessible solution for those seeking to embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. Addressing the housing crisis, a potential solution. The affordability of Musk's tiny house has the potential to address a growing global issue, the housing crisis. In many parts of the world, rising housing costs are pushing homeownership out of reach for a significant portion of the population. This disparity contributes to social and economic inequality, making it increasingly challenging for individuals and families to find safe and affordable housing. While not a singular solution, Musk's tiny house offers a viable alternative. Its affordability, coupled with its sustainable design, presents an opportunity to create more inclusive and accessible housing options. This could be particularly impactful in urban areas struggling with high population density and soaring housing costs. The future of housing innovation and accessibility. Elon Musk's $155,000 tiny house is not just a novelty. It's a glimpse into the future of housing. It showcases how innovation can create sustainable, affordable, and desirable living spaces. The emphasis on renewable energy, prefabrication, and flexible design sets a precedent for future housing solutions. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and accessible housing options. This includes advancements in building materials, energy efficiency, and smart home technologies. Musk's venture into sustainable housing is a catalyst, inspiring others to rethink conventional approaches and embrace a future where sustainable living is the norm.